Sliders make FluidMath dynamic. To add a slider, pick a variable and add a value to it. Draw a line from the equal sign, which is inside the yellow box, to outside of the yellow box, and you get yourself a slider. There are handlebars on each side of the slider, which allows you to resize it. There's also a drop-down menu, which allows you to have a more precise timeline or number line if that's what you're looking for. In addition, you can zoom in and out by putting your stylus or your finger in the middle of the line and moving it up or down. You can also scroll to the left and right if you're looking for a different set of numbers. If you would like another slider for a different variable, just repeat the process. And you can independently adjust the variables in the number line, and you can see it adjusting in the graph to the right.